Thank you for watching Forgotten Gear Restorations. This is where the intro babble would normally go, but this is just an update video. Happy Friday, goons and mutants out there. Matthew, this one's for you, buddy. Just a quick update. Bye. All right, Matthew. I've got you on top of the speaker cap there, buddy. Because we're testing. So something happened finally. The amp on normal and top boost channels has been flawless, as was the brilliant channel, except just now. So it's been running for about 2 hours, and at this point you're like, did you break it? No, but this is the intermittent issue. I'm hoping it's not making a noise. But look at that, volume is full up. That should be punishing. And then let's move over here to the master. Well, the VVR. Something's going on here. But the other channels, punishing. So, and there you can see it's like fading out. All right, pardon the Italian hammer there. But check it out. Corresponding increase. Background noise, so the issue is before the volume pot. Let's go over to the normal channel. Right? Let's go over to top boost. So, at least there's an issue. That's terrible news. But at least, given the circumstances here, something is going on at the input. And you know, it's funny. I was like, wait a second, look where this is. Boom. The contacts are facing outward. So I was thinking, how funny would it be if in a certain position this screw was contacting, say, the tip of this input here, but it's not. It's just shy of it. Maybe in 16th or 1/8 of an inch. It's not that. So my focus when I get back to this, maybe tonight, is going to be on the brilliant channel. Okay, so I'm going to shut her down for now. I got to get out of here, and then maybe we'll have some additional news soon.